Hi everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today, guys, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration, and it is hosted by Wani of Wani's House. Now, this collaboration is entitled the Spring Deck and Styling Collab Home Tour. So, if you're interested in see or find out about this challenge, stick around. Hi guys, Wani has simple rules where all she asks is you show 2 areas in your home that you have decked out for spring. And you have to have flowers, and you also have to include a DIY of a floor piece or whatever you made for your home. So guys, I started here at my front door. So you see my wreath. This is what you see when you enter my home for the spring. So then I'm going to take you in. Okay guys, here's my formal dining room. I love my tablescape this year. It came out really pretty. I did the teal and yellow and white pattern that I have in the other room here. So this area, I really didn't do too much in the china cabinet, but I did do my table, and that is what I love. Okay guys, I'm following directions from Wani. I'm going to show you guys how I put together my centerpiece for my Easter tablescape. So I purchased, well, this was a Goodwill find, and I've had it a couple of years, and it had different color flowers on it. I'm going to try to find a picture of it before I destroyed it and put it up here. Now, what I did was I left these white berries on there because I thought they were kind of cute to go along with the spring and Easter decor. So here are the flowers that I purchased to go on it. I'm sorry guys, I've already taken the price tags off. They came from Hobby Lobby. And I purchased these white flowers here. I got 2 bushes, as you see, 2 stems. And then I purchased these yellow ones that I've used on my Easter vignette, the spring vignette that I did for Diva Designing on a Dime challenge. I use the same ones in those. So I'll get the price and look and put it up here somewhere. So I got 2 more of those. And then I purchased these 2 beauties. They were from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, they're pearls. And they have little clear rabbits on the ends. And I think that's kind of cute. And it goes for my tablescape. The Spring Easter tablescape. Then the next thing I purchased, which I've already torn apart, was I got 2 more bushes of this flower from Hobby Lobby. I did the same flowers in my vignette for my spring vignette for Diva Design on a Dime. And I will locate the prices of these as well and have these up above somewhere on the screen. I've already torn them off the stick to save time, because I'm going to use them individually. And then the next flowers I purchased were these yellow ones, also from Hobby Lobby. I got 2 of these. Now the big thing that I did get from Hobby Lobby, let me put these back, was this garland here. And I picked this one out, guys, and I know I took the price off of it because I was in a rush to try to finish what I was doing. But it looks like if you're born in the country, you see these kind of weeds all the time in the fields. And that's what this reminded me of, and I cannot for the life of me think of what it's called because my smart behind tore the price off. I'm going to try to find the price and the name if it's on there for this. I don't know what I did with it. But this garland I thought was beautiful, and it will go along with my theme for the spring. See, it looks like wild weeds or grass, but I thought it would be pretty. So let's get started. Now guys, I'm going to take you into the other room. Okay guys, here is my family room, and I'm going to come in and show you by sections. Okay guys, this was showing you my 2 areas in my home that I decked out for the spring decor. So I hope you enjoyed my short video. And guys, I will include a link for Wani's channel down below in the description, as well as a playlist for the other participants when it becomes available. And also guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down here on the screen as well as below in the description box. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.